Alright, hello. This is the 7th video in this series about QGIS selection map making. Make sure that you've watched the previous videos in the series so that you understand what I'm doing in this video. This one's a continuation of the Wikipedia one, where I'm showing you how I would upload a file to Wikipedia and how I would edit a Wikipedia page to include the map. So what you want to do is you want to go to this Wikipedia file upload wizard thing. I think I'll include this in the comments. And then upload your own freely licensed file. Select your file, and I think it's this one. This is the one that I made in video 6. I'm not going to actually upload it, but I'm just going to go through the steps of how to do it. Yeah. First of all, this is one common error that you will get. File of the mine type application XML are not allowed to be uploaded. This basically happens when you have a very large file that it sometimes generates that way. So basically what you're going to need to do is, first of all, if you don't have it installed, you're going to want to install Inkscape. It's a free software. I guess here you could download it. I'll probably link in the comments or whatever. But yeah, what you're gonna want to do is open the map in Inkscape. And luckily, the solution to this is pretty basic. So we just gotta wait for this to load. Hopefully it's soon. Meanwhile, I'm gonna just reload this page. But yeah, let's just wait for this to load in Inkscape. Okay, looks like it's almost done. Almost done loading anyways. And then once we're here, we can just do file and then save as. We could save it as the same thing, it doesn't matter. And then just change this to plain SVG, then press save, replace, and then we can wait for this file size to update here. Once it updates, then, oh, yeah. So now basically it is saved as a plain SVG, and now it should work when we upload it. So you can click select here, and then we can import the file. And now you can just wait a little bit for this to load. Yeah, it shouldn't take too long. All right, and then once it's uploaded, you can press continue. This file is my own work, is what you would select. Entirely my own work is what I would do. And then I usually do the share like 4.0 license, and yeah, select this top one for that. Then, oh yeah, I already named it the same thing, but I'll just test. I'm not gonna actually upload this, so I'm just doing this as like a demo. But here's the name of what your file would be. Caption, you could do like, this image shows the precinct level results for the, and then I'll just copy this. And then you can paste this here. Date created was today. Categories, 2020 elections in the United States and election maps of Illinois. So that's what I would usually do. Then once you're done with that, you can press publish. I'm not going to do that, but I have a video to show you what that would look like afterwards. So you can see here, it'll link you to that, and then you go to this page, and you'll see it says file mt present 2020.svg. This is for a previous tutorial I made on this. And so basically that thing you would copy and use in the coding thing when it asks you for the map. I'll show you how that would work right now. Like if you go into edit source of this thing, you could see right here, file il present 2020.svg. That would be that thing that you put there. But right now, I'm going to show you how I would go about editing like a new page and adding a precinct map. So let me just copy this, and then 2012 I think doesn't have a precinct map. So yeah, I'll do it with this one. Actually, I think I'll do it with two different ones, just so that I want to do it with one that already has stuff on it and then one that doesn't, just so that I can, oh my god, all of these have congressional maps. I'm not sure that I'm going to find one that doesn't, but okay. Basically, the way I would do it is you can go into edit source, and then for this stuff, what I usually do is, well, first of all, you're going to want to open your file which contains the margins. So let's just pretend this is the 2020 presidential thing, and I'm adding it to this. So we can go filter, and then for the PCT Pres, you can click on this, and basically this shows you the percentages that are going to be on your map. So here we can see everything from 40 to 50 for Biden and above is on this map, and everything from 40 to 50 Trump and above is on this map. And we can also see that there's a tie, and for the div 0, that means that there's some precincts where there's no votes. And so basically, what I usually do is I try to find like a reference file to base this off of. So I would go to like 2020 Pres WA, which is Washington, and we can see here we have like all the Biden stuff and Trump stuff in the tie/no data. So then what I would go is I would go into edit, and then you would like copy this stuff for the I mean, you can see it's already the same here. So oh wait, no, 80 to 90. So we would paste this, and it gives everything that we need. For the other one, we will want, as it said, 40 to 50 up to over 100%. And we could paste here, I think, also, and then we would add this one at the end. Although I would change this to be no votes. And yeah, that's basically how you would add that stuff for the presidential thing one. And then if it already has this switcher thing, what you can do is you could just like copy one of these things, just paste here, change this congressional district thing to precinct, and then like here you would just paste in like that thing, and then that would like I mean, yeah, that would work like that. And then once you did like show preview or whatever, I'm not going to publish this, but this is how you would check to make sure that everything is proper. So yeah, congressional district precinct, it's the same map because I didn't change it. But yeah, and you could see like all the stuff is there properly. So yeah, that's how you would do it for presidential. For down ballot, it would be pretty much the same. Yeah, I think I'm actually gonna copy this one, and then I can like go here, and I'll make this 2012. What? Oh, yeah, that makes sense. 2010. And yeah, this one would be like the same thing kind of. So you would with the switcher thing again, you can just like copy this, and then you can like add another one, and I can change this to like precinct. This one, it would be like whatever map you were doing. And then this one, I guess, is the Republican stuff. For my reference file for down ballot stuff, I usually use the 2021 New York City mayoral election because that has a lot of the stuff. For PCT Sen, it looks like a similar situation with the previous one where it's 40 to 50 and above for all the candidates. But we also have a 40 to 50 ties. We can see by the negative 0.05. No 50% tie though. We also have the div 0. So then for this one, Kirk is the Republican. So I guess I would do 40 to 50 up to over 90% for that. And then for the Democrat, we would do 40 to 50 over 90 from here. And we would paste that there. And then I'd copy this stuff over, paste here, delete the 50% tie. And then I'm going to make this bolded, and I'm going to change this to no votes. And then if we did show preview, yeah, we'd see we have all the proper colors like this. We have the tie, we have the no votes, and then we have the thing set up like that. So yeah, that's how you would add that stuff to Wikipedia. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I'm forgetting. I feel like there is. No, I think that's yeah, I think that's like the main stuff. Just yeah. So the key idea is that when you're creating these things that include this stuff, it's useful to use like another reference thing as for like your map. And like if there's ever a color that doesn't show up, like if you wanted to do like a 20 to 30 for like Democrats or something, you could just like change this 20 to 30. And then for the hex color, you would like go here, and then you can copy it from here and paste here. So yeah, if there's ever not a color that you're able to find on like a reference thing, you could just make it from here. Or if you're doing like another color scheme. So yeah, that's that's basically how you would do this map stuff, and or how you would add it to Wikipedia. And yeah, I hope this was useful.